Hello everyone and welcome to Diamond Paints with Mike. In here we've got a Vinted unboxing. Let's hope and pray that it's going to be a lot more better than that disaster of a package that we got previously with the snow globe. But in here we have a diamond painting all the way from Northern Ireland. Yes, that's right. When I checked the tracking it said OMAGH or Omar or something like that, and I googled to see where it was and it was in Northern Ireland. So it's come all the way from there. So I'm gonna obviously with the way Vinted is, the amount of packages I get with Vinted that are broken stuff, I do decide to unbox them from the bag because that's my proof that if it's damaged, I can, you know, get my money back, because it's not very easy trying to get your money back with Vinted, especially when the seller is trying to argue with you. Right, so I'm just looking for my craft knife because we've got an incision here, so we'll just get that through. See, I haven't replaced these blades, which I need to do, and get that through there. And yeah, I've been eagerly awaiting this. It feels like it's in bubble wrap, so hopefully, and this package was, this painting was one that I really wanted, and I've been just hoping and praying every week that it would turn up in the range, because I believe they sell them, will sell this specific one in the range, but I didn't really want to, I'm trying to pull it away so that I don't cut into it, but it wants to fight with me. So yeah, so let's get into this. Thank you very much for all the get well wishes as well. I'm still a bit croaky on the voice, but just a long process of waiting for it to sort itself out, innit? So this is the package, and oh, it feels like Christmas, guys. Really hope that everything's, she said it was new, so hello, we're playing past the parcel. So yeah, okay, lovely. So actually I want to keep some of this if I can, because I always, with packaging, I like to keep anything that I can see that is reusable, but I probably just destroyed that. So are you ready, guys? Inside here it is. How cute is that? I had to have it. And as you know, we're filming this in October 2024. Sunday morning love you is only around the corner in February, and I thought that would be perfect for February because obviously it's got love. Now I don't know if this is actually diamond painting. You can see on the edge here that it probably isn't. She did describe it as new, and it does look like, this looks like it's been tampered with, so I have to wait and see. But yeah, she is telling the truth, guys. Look at that. Fantastic. And I know it's new because it's in this yellow range, but as you can see, oh wow. He's so cute, isn't he? With he's actually got glasses on as well. There's a bit of defection here with the plastic not wrapped quite over that, but that's a manufacturing issue. But yeah, as I thought, these are not actually crystals, so that's quite nice. It's not actually painted, so it's a partial. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? So let's get this open. Oh, I'm very happy with this, so I'll get that payment released for her. With Vinted, you do have to check the item over before you release the payment, just in case there's a problem. But yeah, I'll get that released for her straight away, because very happy with this, all the way from Northern Ireland. But I don't like to buy, like, I like to buy from, you know, the actual companies, but if I can't source it, then I'll go to, you know, third parties if I can and try and find it. But yeah, let's have a look at this. Wow, the stick is beautiful. I absolutely love this. This is fabulous. I love it. I think these, you know, that cake painting that we worked on with the upside down hearts, we could actually, I've actually got some spares of them, so I might mod that and modify it and stick some spares on there. I mean, what do we need? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yeah, I might do some of that actually. I love it, absolutely love it. So yeah, he looks like he's a scientist dog with the glasses as well, doesn't he, with his lovely little bow there. Absolutely gorgeous. Very happy with my purchase. And this is the Semitic, nice and big there. 13 colours. Oops, my voice is going there. And as you can see, we got Tessa did pick up that in one of my videos. I was talking, then it went, and my voice came back, then it went again. So it could go at any time. I don't know, but it's getting on my nerves really. I just want it back to normal because I have to put a lot of strain in to talk as well. But in here we got our bags and our crystal pen, and I can't stop looking at this painting. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look at our drills, which are looking fabulous. Look at that, absolutely stunning. And I think she only wanted I think it was like £3 for this, so I was very happy with that. We got white, and we got a brown, and a pink, and a grey, and a brown. And for the first time ever, I actually yodeled it over to the collection shop over here. I've been trying to do a collection with them for ages, but when on the Vinted, when you try and pick what shop you want it to go to, it just wouldn't come up. But I found out how you do it now. You have to put like the shop's postcode into it. So yeah, saves me going over to it, mate. Because normally I have to pick them up from my mum's, you know. Okay, so coffee brown, and we got a sort of peachy colour there. A gorgeous, very, very nice. That's number 7, I reckon, yep. Which is this colour here. If anyone knows that Shemetic colour, do let me know. DMC code, you know. Let me put that craft knife there. And we got some lovely chocolatey sort of browny violet colours there. Brown, and a lovely, lovely 7 there. Sorry, an E. Oh, that's number 3. We're going backwards. I thought that was number 1. But we're actually working our way back. So we got 3 there, a grey and a black. But I tell you what, that's a 10 out of 10. Absolutely love it. I am itching to start it right now. I tell you, that's how happy I am with this. That's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I'm very surprised that that's not in the range. I'm a bit gutted about that, but I've been looking everywhere for it. And yeah, fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Love, love, love it. You'll see this in February when we do our Valentine's Sunday morning love you theme in February. But until then, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to do all them lovely YouTubey things. Like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video. It really helps the channel out. Thank you very much for your support to the channel, and we will see you another time on next Wednesday for another unboxing. Until then, take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.